Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome to my channel. Uh, so I'm going to start a new series of videos about Oracle Epics. We will be learning everything about Oracle Epics, and so this will help you to understand what is Oracle Epics. You can once you'll be, you're going to stay with me in this video series. You'll learn about Oracle Epics and how you can develop your web application using Oracle database and Oracle Epics. So here you will be getting learning all the flexibility what we have in Oracle Epics, the database capability what you're getting here, and you can start developing your own web application once you will get familiar with this thing. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so what is Oracle Epics? Oracle Apex is nothing but a web application development framework from Oracle, getting support, complete support from Oracle, where we get flexibility to develop the web application development uh, only using the browser. So you don't require to install any software in your machine. You just need a browser and you can start developing web application over there. Okay, we call it as rapid web application development because we can develop the application in very short span of time with a good quality and good security and things like that. Okay, so let me tell you more about this. So before getting started with Oracle Apex, we have you have to go to this place apex.oracle.com. I'm going to use this environment actually. Okay, so once you'll enter this URL in your browser, you'll reach out to this place where you are going to get these two options: get started with and what's new. This is the current version of Oracle Apex actually 20.1. If you want, you can learn a lot of other stuff also, what is Oracle Apex and things like that. uh, this is the world's most popular low code platform. So you learn everything. If you want to learn, you can, study about this. Okay, now once you reach out to this place, click on this get started for free. Okay, let me click on it. And once you click on it, you're going to get two options. The first option is either you can create your credential on Oracle Cloud. Okay, and the second option is you can directly come to this place and you can sign up over here and get started with this environment itself. If you're going to choose Oracle Cloud environment, you have to sign up in Oracle Cloud first. There you are getting a lot of flexibility along with SQL developer, web SQL developer actually. And here this is going to be this is a public URL actually. You can develop your web application over here, but the only difference is you're not going to get administration access over here. Okay, here you will be getting administration access also because you're going to you're going to create your own database over here. So this is going to give you administration access, but here you will not get administration access actually. Okay, and if you'll not, if let's say you have developed any application in apex.oracle.com and you have not touched that application, or maybe that workspace actually, you have created any workspace in this platform and you have not touched that workspace for maybe 3 months, then your workspace will get deleted from Oracle side by default. Automatically they'll just send an intimation email to you that your workspace is going to get purged. If you want to prevent it, you just have to click on certain buttons, some buttons, and yeah, but automatically it will get deleted if you are not going to use your workspace for 3 months. Okay, that is the only disadvantage over here, but I'm going to start on this platform only because this is easy to start with. So let's click on request a free workspace from here. Now when you click on it, you're going to reach out to this place where you have to enter your detail, your first name, last name, email address, your workspace name. You can write anything over here. This is your name. Okay, your workspace name, then your country, and the usage, personal use or organization use. Okay, when you click on next, you're going to get another list of information. You have to enter your information over there and just click on next, and hit enter and submit the form. So your workspace will get created. After that, you'll get an email in your email address, and there you'll get the email to validate your information, actually to validate your email address and password. So once you'll get done with that, your workspace is ready to develop the environment. I already have done all these things just to save some time. So I'm directly going to get into that environment. For that, I'll click on this sign in button. I'll click on this sign in, and here you just write your uh, workspace name, enter your email address and password, and click on sign in. Let me try again. Future. I have tried this. I have written this future developer actually, and let me write the password. Hit enter. Yeah, we reached to this place. Now here we have a lot of other components. This is nothing but Apex backend environment where developer will develop the application. Okay, so here we are going to get these options. I'll explain you these options one by one. Now what is app builder? This is the place where we are going to develop the application. What is SQL Workshop? This is the place where we are going to create database objects, like we can create table, we can create functions, procedure, sequence, synonym, view, and materialize view, or all database objects we can create over here. What is team development? If multiple developers are working on the same project, here we can manage those developers actually. Now, what is App Gallery? App Gallery is nothing but we are going to get a lot of pre-developed application over here. I'll show you all those applications, already developed application, how we can use those applications. That comes under App Gallery. Okay. The same information you will be getting over here under App Builder. You're going to get these many options. We will learn all these options one by one. Similarly, here SQL Workshop is going to contain these many information. We'll learn these things one by one. All right, this is App Gallery, productive app, and sample apps. So yeah, some of the apps we have, I mean, they have classified as productive app, productivity app, and some apps they have classified as sample apps. But yeah, we will see all these apps also. So this is about the Oracle Apex, kind of introduction about Oracle Apex. In next video, I'll let you know how to develop or how to start with Oracle Apex development. Thanks for being with me, and I want you all to support me just by watching all the videos in this series. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye. Take care.